Sorry.
It's all out here.
Ingrid.
Uh-oh. You have to get out of my throne.
Fine, I will.
Your chair.
I will get on your throne. I wanted to, not that you told me to. Guys, why are you so pissed at these strippers?
They're not strippers, they're Spice Girls, okay?
Strippers, guys.
It's not very nice. You
Look
know
at her,
what?
she doesn't have any clothes on. You know what?
She has clothes on, and if the Spice Girls ever watch
You know what? You know what? She is just doing that so she can learn moves for Pasha.
Me? What?
Hot people.
Gross.
Sexy men. Sexy men?
Sexy men? I
Sexy,
love sexy men.
sexy men.
I love those guys.
So
So
hot.
Emily. Oh God, what are you doing? I don't know these stupid dances.
Rushy? Rushy Emily?
Ready? Triple. Wait, there's the third one. Give me my stick!
Emily, my parents.
Good time. God, it's important. Ingrid, get off that thing already, please. Becky, not important. Your friends want you back, Ingrid. They want you back.
That's you, Anne. Oh, it's so sexy.
And why are you posing for porn videos? Come on.
What can I say, purple?
Get your act together. Oh God.
Oh my God, look at, I'm not half naked in this video.
Good job.
Look at,
Oh my God, you have clothes on today. Yay. Good job, Ingrid. Good job.
Sarah does it.
Guess what?
Doesn't face you.
I don't know.
I have allergies. It sucks.
I don't have allergies. Oh God.
Like today in band, Ingrid started to sneeze and then she started to cry. It was really funny.
I made her leave.
Yeah, and I followed Ingrid.
Wasn't very nice.
And I stalked them both. Best stalk people like that.
I think I asked to grab today. Yay.
By Nico, her lover.
Which is actually this much gay.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, he's not good.
God, Anne, watch out.
Oh, it's gonna hit the camera. It's gonna hit the camera.
No, it's not.
When two become one.
Who doesn't like the Spice Girls? Seriously? It's childhood in a video. I mean, look at it.
I hate Spice Girls.
You know what?
Take that back, Emily.
There's a Spice Girl mob out there, and you're gonna die tomorrow.
Who's the Spice Girl mob?
I am not part of it. I swear to God, I am not part of the Spice Girls mob.
not part
Oh,
of
really?
it. She's not part of it.
What's her phone number? You call them on me? Oh God.
No.
Oh.
You are the
Who's it?
Spice Girls mob.
Okay, that was a little weird. And she's making out. Okay, here we go. This is Anne. She's Baby Spice. There's a night when two become one. Let's talk about sex.
Yeah, let's talk about sex.
All the Spice Girls songs are like about
Yeah.
sex, but it's pretty cool, you know. You have to admit.
No, it's
I mean, Zigga Zigga Ah is an awesome
Zigga Zigga
one.
Ah, it's awesome. I love Zigga Zigga Ah.
Aww.
Oh my God.
Oh my
lesbian.
God.
Lesbos. Oh my God,
You
they're
were so
everywhere.
gross.
Lesbos everywhere. Oh, she's alone.
That's
How
me.
many- How many lesbian lovers?
I love Ginger
Oh God,
Spice.
lesbian lovers again. Oh, that's me. God. Oh, five some.
Sporty, scary, baby, ginger, posh.
Okay.
Whoa.
What's posh mean?
I like taking
I don't know.
pictures of stags. They like laugh.
Okay, that's enough.
No.
Stop.